If you're wondering why we are still in Alleppey, that's because we were supposed to go back to Goa, but then we didn't get the train tickets. We were on the waiting list, and unfortunately, we didn't get the tickets. So I told Adrian, this is our opportunity to go somewhere else, but we'll keep that a surprise because from Kerala we are going to go to another place and then we are going to head to Goa. And right now we are just walking next to this canal here. We'll be taking that bridge there, that side, and we'll go walk all the way from there to eat some biryani. So on our Kerala trip, we've been eating a lot of Kerala biryani. We've been eating parota, beef, and this place here in Alleppey, sadly in Alleppey, we didn't find very good places to eat. Only this one is a good place. This place is called Hotel Yuraj, and this is the little bridge. So we're going to take this bridge, go over to that side, and it's going to be like a 10 to 15 minutes walk, and we'll show you the biryani there. Every day we've been coming here to this Bismi hotel to have some tea, and that's where we met some people who work here at the fire and the rescue station. They are the ones who have suggested Hotel Yuraj to us. We've eaten nearly 3 to 4 times there. Every time we've eaten there, the food was good, and Adrian found some place. Unfortunately, it was not good.
But the reviews were good.
The reviews were good
But
on
it
Google.
was not good.
Yeah, we went there and we had breakfast. It was disappointing. So yes, we decided not to upload that video because we got so disappointed with the food. We didn't even shoot the complete video. So yes, but finally we found a good place. Yes.
But you know what? This place that we are going to, it has bad reviews, but the food is actually
Yeah, the food is
Vice
actually
versa.
good, and we overlooked the bad reviews because the locals, the people working at the fire station, they suggested that to us. And if you take advice from the locals, it's going to be very rare that the advice will be bad. So yes, that's the reason why we are going there. So we have made it. This here is Hotel Yuvraj. Here is the outside section. It is too hot. That's why we come here. We've come here to the AC section. And yes, we will order our food here. That's their complete menu. So yes, they have tea, breakfast, so many items. But yes, we haven't been here for breakfast, so I can't really tell you how good it is. As I said, the reviews, don't look very good, but we love the beef roast and the biryani here. That's why we wanted to show you. Today's review is going to be a very quick one because as you can see, both of us are starving. Our last meal was at 7 a.m. We woke up very early because we slept early, and we had visited that uncle's place that I showed you earlier, and we had the chai and parota and the egg curry, which was okay, like it wasn't that great. But this one here, as you can see, this is the chicken biryani, this is the beef roast, so many pieces. This one is the pepper chicken, and this is the parota. Adrian has already started eating. And this is how you will get it. So yes, I've been practicing this since 3 to 4 days, and I guess I have perfected this. Right, so all the biryani is gone there in my plate. I asked the order taking guy like what rice this is because this is small, the grains are small. He said that this is biryani rice, but I doubt it because when I checked online, they said that this is something called jeer shala or jeer kashla rice, something like that. So if you guys know, please let us know in the comment. Now see this. There's such a huge chunk of chicken in there. I'll keep that separate because they won't be placed on the table. But I have really enjoyed the biryanis here in Kerala. I used to eat a lot of this in the UAE, and I'm happy that the taste obviously is better than what we used to have in the UAE. Oh, it is hot. So yes, chicken is soft. Let's mix this up really well. They've even given lemon pickle. So yeah, that's common here in South. They have pickle with the biryani, little raita, and this is called papadam. This is the Kerala papad. So yes, you have to use your hands for this. Mix it up really well. I've had it before, so yes, same taste. The North Indian biryani, the different kinds of biryani that you get. This one is very different. because the rice is different. Also, as you can see, there is a lot of fried onion and they give a lot of masala at the bottom, so you have to mix it up really well. And someone is quietly stealing my papadam here. We both love this. If you haven't tried the Kerala papad, it's a must try, guys. So yes, great biryani. Have to take one more bite, and now it's time to dig in to Adrian's paratha and the beef. So as you can see, they are very generous with their beef roast, and in the beef roast there are pieces of beef and also some liver pieces. Beef roast is excellent. I think it is one of the best we've had in Kerala. Really nice, and they are very generous with their pieces. And now let me try the chicken, pepper chicken. Adrian, can I try some of this? So yes, Adrian has already kept this on the plate. So yeah, let me give you more details on the beef roast. So beef roast, if you have it in Kerala, it's full of curry leaves, black pepper, you get those spicy flavors. You must try it, guys, if you are here, if you have beef. Pepper chicken is quite good as well. So yes, that's how we are going to enjoy this meal, because we don't eat a lot in the evenings, and in the evening we'll be traveling. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little review of Hotel Yuvraj here. It's right next to the KSRTC stand in Alleppey. And the reason why we wanted to show you this place is because we haven't found a lot of places, good places to eat, but this one was quite good. Until the next one, take care, stay safe, and stay positive.